Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Las Vegas Motor Speedway. I'm your host, Kamatni Rawlins, and today we're presenting the all-new 2024 McLaren 750S. And to present it, we have a special guest, President of the Americas and good friend of McLaren Automotive, Nicholas Brown. Nick, how you doing today, brother?
Great to
Good.
see you.
From a positioning standpoint, give us an ideology of what this vehicle is going to present to the consumer base.
So we really gave our engineers a tough task because the 720, as you know, really set the benchmark in the supercar segment. So the 750 is all about enhancing and beating that benchmark. 2023, we celebrated our 60th anniversary, so 60 years since Bruce founded the iconic race team, and racing is at the core of our DNA, and it's about creating a visceral experience for our customers.
So what is McLaren doing to make sure that the awareness level stays on top of the echelon?
So one example is, track driving is very important to our customers. So it's offering formats for our customers to participate in. The other thing that's been very popular with customers is road rallies. So it's really about engaging with our customers in these types of environments.
.740 brake horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds with a top speed of 206 miles per hour. Let's fly, baby. And what I really love is when you accelerate, the rear wing pops up to stabilize the rear, which is 20% larger than the outgoing 720. And then they balance it out in front with a new front bumper and a larger, wider splitter. So the vehicle is very balanced, very stable, pretty efficient airflow.
All right, we're good to go. We're the first ones out. Track is clear. Even me as a professional race car driver sitting in the right seat, this thing is ridiculous. This car is incredible.
You feel like you should be braking and you like
No,
accelerating.
yeah, you're exactly right.
All right.
Go. Left shift, stay on the gas.
All right.
Left shift, stay on it.
All right.
Stay on it.
Go.
Jam on the brake. Yeah, that's it. Hard brake, hard brake. Getting into it.
A storied history, lightweight engineering, and impeccable design. I hope you enjoyed the presentation of the all-new McLaren 750S. We'll catch you on the later drive. Now it's really time to fly.